Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're bringing you an exciting look at one of the most talked about releases in the auto rickshaw segment, the brand new 2025 Toyota 2-stroke auto rickshaw, and yes, it's a 7-seater. If you're into smart city mobility, affordable transport options, or just curious about the innovation coming out in 2025, this video is for you. Let's get into the full details. First off, let's talk about the design. Toyota has really stepped up their game with the new auto rickshaw, combining practicality with a futuristic touch. The front fascia has been redesigned with aerodynamic curves and a stylish grille, giving it a slightly sporty look, which is rare in the rickshaw category. LED headlights and sharp indicators ensure visibility and a modern appeal, both day and night. It's also available in a range of bright, attractive colors that really stand out on the road. Now, the most surprising part: it's a 7-seater. That's right, Toyota has managed to fit 7 passengers comfortably in this compact form. The seating arrangement is intelligently planned with a front driver seat, 2 co-passengers up front, and a wide rear section that can comfortably seat 4 adults or even 5 for short city rides. The seats are cushioned with improved foam padding and come with easy clean, weatherproof upholstery, perfect for both hot summers and rainy seasons. Moving on to the engine, this is where things get really interesting. Unlike the usual 4-stroke engines we see today, Toyota has brought back a 2-stroke engine, but it's not your old school smoky 2-stroke. This is a modern, fuel-injected 2-stroke engine designed for maximum torque and quick acceleration, especially useful in congested urban traffic. It offers a perfect balance between performance and mileage. The engine is air-cooled, with improved emission control systems that make it compliant with BS7-like future norms, meaning it's much cleaner than traditional 2-strokes. The 2-stroke engine also means fewer moving parts, easier maintenance, and faster service times, something every rickshaw operator appreciates. With a fuel tank capacity of around 12 liters and a mileage of approximately 35 to 40 kilometers per liter, this rickshaw is built to run long hours without frequent refueling. Toyota also claims lower maintenance costs and longer service intervals compared to previous models. On the inside, the driver gets a digital dashboard, including speedometer, fuel gauge, and real-time mileage indicator. There's even USB charging port, a small digital clock, and a Bluetooth speaker system available in the higher variants. A roof fan and optional solar-powered ventilation system help keep the cabin cooler in hot climates. Suspension has been improved as well, with dual shock absorbers at the rear and a stronger front fork. This means fewer bumps and better comfort for both the driver and passengers. The ground clearance is around 195 mm, making it suitable for rough roads, potholes, and speed breakers. Braking is handled by a combination of hydraulic drum brakes on all wheels, with the optional addition of front disc brakes in the deluxe variant. The tires are tubeless and slightly wider than the older models, giving more grip and stability even on slippery roads. Let's also talk about safety. Toyota has introduced a reinforced steel chassis with side impact protection. The frame is slightly wider and has undergone crash testing for enhanced durability. There's a seat belt for the driver, and side guard rails for passengers in the rear. While it's not a full car in terms of safety, it's definitely a step ahead of traditional auto rickshaws. And finally, pricing and availability. The expected ex-showroom price starts around a superscript 1 2.9 lakhs for the base variant and goes up to a superscript 1 3.6 lakhs for the fully loaded model. Toyota is also offering attractive financing options, especially for commercial buyers and fleet operators. It will be available in major metro cities first, and then rolled out to Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns within a few months. So there you have it, the 2025 Toyota 2-stroke auto rickshaw 7-seater. A perfect blend of space, style, performance, and affordability. Whether you're a driver looking to upgrade or someone considering an investment in the growing public transport sector, this might just be the rickshaw to look out for. If you enjoyed this video and want more updates on the latest in mobility, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.